Okay, so this is the to-do. Oh. What is this? It's snow or raining? It's like slush outside. Okay, so let's see. We need to. We need to include target here so we can count the spaces moved. Yeah. So I had broken this out into two different functions, right? We don't want that. I was thinking it would be nice to validate both the start and the finish, but it needs to be the same, and that's because we need to be able to tell like how far the move is, right? To make sure. Oh. So we'll do that, start and target chords. Okay, so now at this point we know. I know that the starting position is valid. Like if the player that's trying to move the pawn in the target in the start space is the same color, that's the main thing. And that there actually is a pawn. So now we need to make sure there's like the diff in spaces. Now the diff should only be 2. Yeah, it is snowing actually. Val diff. Let's see. Let's see. Vertical. Okay, so I'm just trying to think. If they can only move forward at the moment, right? This is X, this is Y. Then the only thing I should see is X changing. Equals start dot X minus target dot X, but I need like a math. Now, what do I need access to? Where's the first move? It should be the pawn. So this, okay, so now if pawn dot has moved and vertical diff is greater than 1. Let's return false. Let's just do print line. So if it has moved and the vertical diff, if it hasn't moved, let's just do another one. If let's just do something here. I think that's fine. Okay, I don't know if I've run this yet, so let's just run it, see what happens. Let's see. I didn't print this. What? Maybe I am doing something wrong. So, no, second player name, board. Does look a little different, right? Name board. Looks like there's supposed to be a space after that. Board setup. Where's my print board? Okay, so that'll add a space here. Oh, I didn't do anything actually. I forgot. Alright, so first off, no, let's leave it like that. So is valid start, if is valid start position, then we need to actually move let's just do something easy for a second. Now let's just move board. Let's see. Oh wait. Pawn. The pawn has moved, has to change. Okay. So I don't need to check basically anything. What I need to do is say, for now, if no, val pawn to move equals start board start pause dot x start pause dot y. Now we need to say board target pause. Let's see. No, yeah, that was right. Board target pause dot x target pause dot y equals pawn to move. What's going on? What happened here? What? I don't know what's going on. Oh, is it because... Okay. Yeah, I know the problem. Okay, so first off, let's fix that. So pawn has moved. Why can't I change that? Got it. I think the board is set up. That's why. Come on, what? There we go. This should be this now. Okay, we should be pretty dang close to running this again. Let's try this, move pawn. A2. There's definitely a white pawn at A2. So let's find out what's going on here. We don't even have to do anything special to figure this out. Let's see. So what is it? John, Amelia, John Cern A2, A3, and it's broken. Okay, so it's literally the first move. pawn is correct color is false. And pawn is definitely there. Wait, what? Oh, pawn is correct color is false. What's the pawn that I'm looking at? Oh. Oh. I see. We need to translate it. I did not, so this is not right, right? So A2, so it's a 2 here, right? But that's not what it is in the list. That's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I see a 2, I think it's just 8 minus target. Let me think. A2, so this, it should be 8 minus. And 8 minus. No, what did I just change? This one. Okay, so it was John, Amel, and then A2 to A3, I think. So the pawn now. Wait, what? Didn't I just change the... How could it be the same exact thing? What? What? Maybe... Let's just try one more time. All right, now we're in the conversion. Start. I think it just, I think whatever I did to, no, what? 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 How could this be? I'm confused. I'm very confused. How can I be getting the right thing up here and then not down here? What? I how? Restarted again? What? Super frustrating. What just happened? I just saw it say 6. This is the Y. It's the wrong number. Okay, I think it's... Is this for real right now? Oh. God. There we go. So it's a valid move. I think I need to print the board again. I don't think I'm doing that. I just don't know when. Let's see. So player's turn. B7, so they input, and then presumably we show the output. What happened? What? Where did it go? Oh no, shit. Something's just wrong. Okay. I don't know what's going on. Like, what is happening? Why is this not working? Am I just off everywhere? Let's think. It's this here is the problem. Like, first off, that shouldn't have moved. Am I crazy? Is it not X, Y? Maybe this one doesn't need it. Just guess. See what moves this time. Okay. That's also the wrong one. I think that's... No, A2? Yeah, it is not correct. Why? Dude, what is happening? What is going on, dude? It's like, what? It's like not at all what I thought it was gonna be. What is happening? A2 should be this one. No? To A3. Should go up one space. I don't need this. I need to see. So if these are coordinates, right? This is 6. That part's right. Oh, this is all wrong. Okay, so I think this is start Y. This. If I flip those, then now this is wrong. And this needs it back, I think. I'm just guessing now. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. Let's just rerun this with these changes. Okay, so I get 1. This is already wrong. What even happens here? I literally don't know what's going on. I have no idea. This is not a good feeling at all. Maybe I'm just not. Maybe I'm not in the zone today, but like I have no idea why this is all wrong. Let me think. Okay, let's forget about the target for a second. I can't select the correct cell at the moment. A2 should be right here, which is 6, 0. 6 would be the row. This up here, no. This, I think this needs to be minus 97. So this should, A2 should translate to, go back to this. Okay, so now this should read 0. No, that's wrong. The first list should be 6. I don't know what's going on. I see. A is the column, so it's Y. This was. Why does it do that? It's like I can't edit the text, you know. Okay, so A is the first input, and we get that, and that actually should be how far we go once we get the correct row. Now, the second one is actually the row number, so it's backwards. Okay, so now that I have said that, what will this give me? This will give me 0, which is correct, I think, right? We want to stop at the first index in this one. So now this, okay, so this 2 should translate to, right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so try this again. I think I've sorted this out. A2, A3. There we go. That looks much, much better. Oh, cool, that worked. So now we could do A7 to A5. Cool. B2 to B5. Now we'll do A5 to A7. A5 to A6. Oh, it went backwards. Okay. So we found a bug there. So how do we determine okay, I think it's safe to say we're translating correctly the coordinates now. So I don't think I'll need to go make edits to that function even in the future. What is weird here now is like, I need to not pay attention to this grid. I need to only think about this, and there's some constraints, right? Like black pawns should only ever descend. White pawns should only ever, no, it's the other way. Black pawn target position has to be greater. Yeah. Okay, so now okay, so now if pawn if that and let's see, if the black pawn can only go up in indexes, then the result should always be negative, right? Is greater than 0. Print line. Okay, let's think about it, right? So if I'm a white piece here, this actual index is 6. If I ever went to 7, that's, no, wrong. That's a bug. So if I ever tried to go to 7, that would be -1, and that's wrong. That would be less than 0. Same thing here. If I'm at 2 minus 1 for the target position, that would be greater than 0, wrong. That's backwards. Okay, let's test that real quick. John. Let's actually get rid of the breaks. Just give it a go. Okay. So now let's try and move A7 to, no, yeah, A7 to A8. Okay, and now let's do A7 to A9. Oh wait, no, A5. Cool, that worked. And now, let's try B2 to B1. Tempted to move pawn back, and then B2 to B3. Okay, and now let's do H7 to H9. Invalid input. Oh, H7 to H5. Okay, let's do B3 to B4, and now H5, right, to H3. Nice. All right, I have confidence in this now. There might be an edge case in here still. Let's see. Oh, it moved diagonally. I didn't know they were going to test that. Like, what? That's kind of lame that they're just doing that without saying anything. Right? They did not... So then we can do one last check and do if start pause dot y does not equal target pause dot y. Try that. What's supposed to happen? Oh, I think I need to hide all my if statements. Dude, come on. What? It doesn't tell me. It's so frustrating. Incorrect output after trying to make a move, square e3 with no white pawn. No white pawn and... Am I not supposed to print invalid input after that? Maybe it's this. I hate this, dude. I'm literally guessing. I don't know what this is talking about. I literally don't know where the error is. Where did... Where... What? How did I see an invalid input return here? Dude, I'm so confused. I don't know. I'm super mixed on IntelliJ. Like, I literally don't know what code just ran because it's commented out. So that means if it's running, like, I don't understand. Okay, so it's this. Like, what? What does this do? Oh, shit. Okay. I already don't know what I'm doing. It's so annoying. You try and make one thing nice and it just... Okay. Like, it just has to be like that, you know? I literally can't, dude. It's so ridiculous. So prevent pawns capturing each other head on. And then all of of these have okay, so everything after this, right? Just real quick. Val, pawn has moved, invalid move, too many spaces, and move equals this val invalid move just real quick before I finish. Okay, so now black pawn. So now val black pawn attempting val white pawn. Did not move. Oh, diagonal. No, let's do. Oh no, this is gonna break. All right, I'm gonna leave these here and deal with them next time. All right, all right, all right.